Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your dashboard in Ardent Seller so it shows exactly the information you care about most. Whether you want to focus on sales data, inventory levels, or production stats, you can tailor your dashboard to fit your workflow. Let's jump in. Here's the dashboard. Out of the box, you'll see a set of default widgets, things like revenue and profit snapshot, sales trend, top selling items, low stock alert, and more. Each widget is a card that shows a specific piece of your business data. But there are close to 60 widgets available. So let's customize which ones appear. To customize your layout, click the Customize button in the top right corner of the dashboard. This opens a panel on the right side where you can see every available widget. Each one has a toggle switch to turn it on or off and a size selector to choose between small, medium, or large. Let's say you want to see your expense breakdown. Just scroll down to find it in the list and flip the toggle on. There are close to 60 widgets in here, covering everything from financial snapshots and sales trends to production tracking and equipment maintenance. If a widget belongs to a section you haven't switched on, it's grouped near the bottom under its module with an Enable button, so you can turn the whole section on right from here. Toggle on the ones that matter to your business, and toggle off anything you don't need. You can also reorder your widgets right here in the Customize panel. See the grip handles on the left side of each widget? Just grab one and drag it up or down to change the order. This is great for putting your most important widgets at the top of the dashboard, where you'll see them first. Each widget also has a size drop-down, small, medium, or large. Think of that as the width you're asking for. Small is 1 column, medium 2, and large spans all 3. Ardent Seller won't leave a gap though, so if a row comes up short, the last widget in it stretches to fill the space. Your choice is what's saved. The stretch is just how it lays out. Once you're happy, hit Save at the bottom. You'll see a confirmation that your layout has been saved. Each widget has a refresh button, that little circular arrow in the top right corner of the card. If you've just recorded a sale or updated your inventory and want to see the latest numbers, just click Refresh on the relevant widget. No need to reload the entire page. You don't always need to open the Customize panel for quick changes. Each widget has an Options menu, that little 3-dot icon next to the Refresh button. Click it and you can change the widget size or hide it entirely right from the dashboard. You can also drag widgets around directly on the dashboard to rearrange them on the fly. And if you ever want to start fresh, open the Customize panel and click Reset to Defaults at the bottom left. This brings back the original widget layout. All the default widgets re-enabled at their original sizes and positions. It's a great safety net if you've been experimenting and want to go back to square one. And that's it. Your dashboard is now tailored to your business. You can toggle widgets, resize them, drag them around, refresh data on the fly, and reset whenever you need to. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Ardent Seller tutorials. And if you haven't tried it yet, head over to ardentseller.app to get started for free. See you in the next one.